It's the year of the snake. Guangdong is rolling out tons of New Year celebrations for this year. Everything just feels so festive everywhere in this province.
You know, as China travel has gone viral across the world, I think it's an exciting time for newcomers from all parts of the China and also the rest of the world, including me. You know, I will spend my first Chinese New Year ever in Guangdong.
So, any place you want to go?
Well, I have no ideas about it. Any suggestions?
Well, there are some tips, but not from me, from Consuls General in Guangzhou.
หมู่เพื่อนและพี่น้องทั้งหลายที่มาเที่ยวชมเยี่ยมยามเขตกวางตุ้งโดยเฉพาะเมนไปเบิงตลาดขายดอกไม้เพราะว่าตลาดขายดอกไม้นี่จะมีดอกไม้หลายๆชนิดและแต่ละชนิดมันก็จะบ่คือกันและก็มีความหมายแตกต่างกันดังนั้นที่ว่ามันจะมีหลากหลายหลายสีแล้วก็น่าสนใจคิดว่าพวกท่านมาเที่ยวในยามพักผ่อนในระยะปีใหม่
Recently, I had the chance to visit Fengkai County in Zhaoqing. There is very beautiful county, lovely and very calm. I would like to suggest all of you to pay a visit and look around.
Desde la bella ciudad de Guangzhou, les recomiendo mucho la calle Ening. Yo la disfruto mucho con mi familia y mi esposa. Ahí encontrarán el verdadero espíritu cantonés que todos disfrutamos en el mundo.
If you want to feel a bit more the freshness of the winter, I'd recommend spending the New Year celebrations in Shaoguan.
I want to invite everybody to see the fireworks by Earth Pan. Very interesting during the beginning of the New Year.
I want to recommend one place which is called Chimelong, located at Panyu. The place is so nice. For those who want leisure, it is the place to be.
In addition, one of the biggest flower market in Guangzhou is in Beijing Lu or Beijing Road. People can also enjoy beautiful ornaments of Chinese New Year of the entrance archway. Also, people can enjoy the classic intangible cultural elements presented nearby. This might be an option to enjoy Guangzhou during spring festival break.
Well, this season is for sure the best season to travel in Guangdong. There are many places that are very close to my heart here. But if I had to do a recommendation for travel in Guangdong, it would be definitely be Guangzhou. Guangzhou is a city that mixes culture and entertainment, present and past, and it is absolutely a must when visiting the south of China.
To kick off your new year, I suggest that everybody should visit Junction. It's famous for its pigeon and fresh fish hot pot. It's a good way to start your year.
It is my tremendous pleasure to spend my third Chinese New Year here in Guangzhou. In my first year, I went to Liwan Lake, and on my second year, I went to see the flower markets. So this year, I'm really looking forward to see the Tulip Festival at Bayou Mountain.
Je recommande les dim sum de Guangzhou, notamment les raviolis aux crevettes. Des rouleaux de riz farcis à la pâte de poulet, ces dim sum avec leurs couleurs. Leur saveur, leur arôme exquis reflètent la culture unique de Guangzhou et valent vraiment la peine d'essayer.
Uma das coisas que eu mais aprecio em Guangdong é a comida, a cozinha cantonesa, que é uma das mais sofisticadas do mundo. Além disso, nós temos o privilégio de viver numa cidade de classe internacional, onde nós encontramos as mais variadas cozinhas e excelentes restaurantes.
So if you visit Guangzhou during the Spring Festival, I especially recommend to visit the flower markets, which are spectacular and very enjoyable to walk through.
So Guangdong has so many options to spend the New Year, but my personal favorite is Dapeng Peninsula in Shenzhen. We go to the Dapeng Fortress with my wife and we enjoy it very much. So that's the place that I can recommend to my Chinese friends.
I would like to invite you to Dongguan City to spend Chinese New Year there. There is a wonderful theater, the Dongguan Yulan Theater has an amazing program, a lot of cultural activities. So go and enjoy.
In the new year, I recommend you to explore the Cantonese cuisine. We have many excellent and famous Cantonese restaurants in the area. Explore them together with good friends and let yourself be spoiled by the local hospitality.
This is my first Spring Festival in Guangdong. As a Chinese American, this is the most wonderful time of the year for me and my family. I have heard so much about the traditions in Guangzhou, and I'm excited to experience the diverse local festivals and, of course, the delicious food. In the coming years, I look forward to exploring more of South China and strengthening our bilateral exchange and collaboration.
Fellow Nigerians and African friends who want to visit China or Guangdong to share the serenity and splendid culture of the province, I recommend that you visit Shenzhen, the splendid culture village in Shenzhen.
One of my favorite spots is Dongshankou. It has a rich blend of culture and new energy, and the old city area and historical sites mix with the latest youth culture, food and fashion provides a really fascinating contrast.
I think it's a good choice to visit Guangdong during this spring festival. The surrounding is amazing and the preparation for New Year has already begun, especially Beijing Road and then Canton Tower and the surroundings are absolutely amazing to visit during this festival.
I would like to recommend visiting a neighborhood market. I can see that in Guangzhou markets, there are so many fresh local ingredients. This is a family union time. It brings back the fond memories from my childhood during the time of Thai traditional New Year or Songkran festival. I hope you would enjoy visiting the markets and making your family's favorite recipe and have a good time with your families in such a special occasion.
For this year, I invite all the people, especially for the city Zhuhai, to enjoy this city. It's very beautiful, have good seafood, good view, and is a very, very beautiful city.
I want to invite everyone in this Chinese New Year to come to Guangdong. In Foshan, you can enjoy local architecture of Yunnan and also a great Cantonese cuisine.
Wow, that's a lot of pics from all the CGs.
I think I now have an answer. I'm ready to go.
Wait, what are you still waiting for? Grab your passport and come to Guangdong for your Chinese New Year.